Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word Argonauts. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The Argonauts were a group of ancient Greek heroes who sailed with Jason on his quest for the Golden Fleece. Argonauts refers to the group of legendary Greek heroes who sailed on the Argo with Jason, embarking on a quest for the Golden Fleece in Greek mythology. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.